Hi, this is Kashif Rashid and today we're behind the scenes of the shoot that we're doing for a local Pakistani designer by the name of Sania and Manahil. We have Abir as the model and we're going to take you step by step as to what we did in the entire shoot and what looks we got.
लाइट जो है ना वो इधर So we're going to do our shot over here. That's where the model is going to be standing. We have a light in this direction. We're going to move the light over here, maybe put it right here. And so there's a light at a 45 degrees angle. We have a lantern modifier, so it sort of brings this really nice soft light in the room. We want to keep it nice and bright. We don't want a lot of shadows happening in this shot, so that's how we're going to go. There's a bit of distance between where the model is standing and the background, so it's going to create a bit of depth. And we're super excited for you to see how that goes. Whenever I'm shooting, when I pick a location, I generally tend to get one of my assistants. Right now it's Vicky, he's standing over here. And I take some test shots out so that I know that the light that I have chosen for my shot is exactly how I want it to be. And then once that happens, that's when I call the model so that their time is not wasted while we're testing shots, and you tend to look a little more professional as well, because as soon as they come in, the real take starts.
आपको ना थोड़ा सा इस तरफ होना है, बिल्कुल हल्का सा, नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा होगी, वापस आए, बस। इसमें ना आप हाथों से अच्छी शेप्स बना सकते हैं, बिकॉज वो आपका तो दुपट्टे का कहानी नहीं है ना। थोड़ा सा और ना इसको आपको कर लें, हाथ थोड़े से सामने ले आए ये वाले, और हाँ, और ये नीचे जा रहा हो ना, बिल्कुल अच्छा, थोड़ा सा और हाथ ऊपर करें, बिल्कुल ज़बरदस्त।
Beautiful.
ये अच्छा था, हाथ चिन के नीचे ना, उंगलियां, हाँ ये देखो। मेरे पीछे आगे लाइट को उधर ले जाओ जरा। और थोड़ी सी अब ना लाइट हमारी वो हो गई है, साइडवेज हो गई, हाँ तो बाल हटा। Whenever I'm shooting, I tend to remove the distractions from my frame. As you can see, I could see some remote controls behind the beer and I didn't like them, so I just moved them on the side so that they are not in my frame.
एक काम करो, ये ग्लास लो, इसके ऊपर रख दो, इसके ऊपर बिल्कुल एज पे, यहाँ पर इस साइड पे।
Now I've placed this glass right in front of the frame so that it just creates a bit of distortion, and that sort of looks nice.
थोड़ा सा ये वाला हाथ और सही करो, ये वाला, हाँ हाँ ऐसे कर लो। खड़ी हो, थोड़ा सा ना इधर आ जाओ, बिल्कुल यहाँ पर, मैं टच ना करना, मैं ज़रा रिफ्लेक्शन लेना चाह रहा हूँ। थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाओ, बिल्कुल हल्का सा, बस सही। बिल्कुल हल्का सा आगे हो सकते हो, आगे, और बस। अच्छा, मुझे दो शॉट्स दो, एक शॉट्स दोगी जिसमें जो ना तुम मुझे डायरेक्ट देख रही होगी, ठीक है, और दूसरा शॉट दोगी जिसमें तुम उसके थ्रू मुझे देख रही होगी, ठीक है।
So we've just finished our shoot with Abir, and I hope you learned something from this video.
I've been a little under the weather, so the energy levels would probably not be the same as they are usually, but hopefully I'll be better next time. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you have any questions, do ask on the comments below, and please subscribe. Here, where? Here. No, here. Subscribe.